Life could be a dream, life could be a dream. Life could be a dream, life could be a dream. Shaboom. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom, and open we'll meet again. Boom, ding dong, ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang. Oh, 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 dip, a bip, a do, a dip. Oh, life could be a dream.
Hello Haziq. Can you pick up me at my house? Cause my motorcycle cannot start lah. Oh yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, Imran. The motorcycle it cannot start. Oh, okay. I will arrive in 5 minutes. Alright, welcome. Hi. How are you?
I'm fine. Haziq, why your car aircon is not good?
I don't know. I just serviced my aircon last week, but it's not cooling at all.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So what should you do?
I don't know what should I do. I can stand with this.
I think I know where car workshop nearby to solve your problem come.
Yeah. Are you sure?
Yes. So let's go.
Yeah. Let's go. Okay. Hi sir.
Hi sir.
Hello sir. How are you doing?
I come.
Hi sir, is there any problem I can help you with?
Yeah sir. Can you check my friend's car? He just serviced his aircon last week, but the car aircon is not cooling at all. Can you check?
Oh, the aircon problem. Okay. I will help you with that problem. Just leave the car here. I will check it later for you.
I will leave this car to you. I give you my phone number. So when you find the problem, you can call me, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Pedal to the floor when I hit the dough. Give me everything you got, like the bank is out. Yeah, you pull up in a Lambo, that drip that shit like Mentos. And I lose my grip with a handle, and I choose you over the bendo. You keep my engine on high, you can never get behind me.
What is this car problem? I think I know the problem. This car condenser is broken. I should change it to a new one. Kucai, can you help me to get the new condenser for this car?
Wait a minute.
Please hurry up.
Yes, sir.
This is the new condenser I asked you.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, can I continue my work?
Okay, you go do your work first.
Oh, you wait outside. I will go inside to see the again. Are you the manager of the shop?
Yes.
Can I have a seat?
Sit.
Alright, thank you. So, I dropped off my car yesterday for an air conditioning check. I told your mechanic to call me once he figured out the problem. So, can I know what's wrong with it?
What's wrong with the problem? Let me check with the technician. Give me a moment.
Finish with the car.
Hey,
Yes, what's
come here.
Why?
There's a customer with the aircon issue. Yesterday, have you have a chance to diagnose it?
Let's go. I will see.
Okay. Yes, what's the problem?
So yesterday, the customer sent the car for aircon check. So, what's the problem?
Oh, I already fixed the car. It's only a clock condenser. It's now good to go.
Wait, you already fixed it? No one called me or told me what's wrong before doing the repair. I didn't give permission to proceed.
It's standard, sir. I know you want the car to be fixed, so I go ahead and fix it for you.
That's not the point. I expected to be informed first. I didn't authorize any repair yet. And I should have been consulted before you did anything.
I understand. I'm sorry for the miscommunication. we should have reached the problem before we repair it. We'll make sure this thing doesn't happen again.
Appreciate it. So how much is it going to cost me now?
It only costs 600 ringgit for the condenser replacement and to recharge the system.
You should to tell me first. I will have made the repair, but I deserve to know what's going on with my car.
Yes, you're right. This is not how we handle things. Let's say we give you discount for the repair.
Alright.
You agree?
Yes, I agree.
I will make sure this thing doesn't happen again.
Alright. I appreciate it. So please make sure this doesn't happen again.
Slowly we'll be more careful again. We are sorry for the trouble.
Alright. I will settle the bill, but I know this is a one-time issue, right? Thank you.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching our video.
Betul? Bye-bye. Aduh, susah cakap BI. Aku tak pandai cakap BI. Okay. Itu sahaja daripada grup kami. Terima kasih kerana menonton. Kami harap enjoy the video. Bye-bye. Siap.